So it was actually perfect timing. The GoPro actually died on me. So right as I was just gonna cut it, it died. Right now, everything is situated. The turn signal is on, it looks clean. I did take off the rest of the camo wrap. Off camera, you can still see it has its flaws, like it's chipped, it's literally cracked right there. The tabs in here are cracked. It's just all beat up. This is completely fucked. She has her flaws. I'm gonna be getting a whole new fairing kit. This black and white combo does look good, I will say that. But now here comes our next issue, is the headlights. If I start the bike, this one works, but this one doesn't. The best thing that I came up with right now is to actually take out the bulb from here, put it in that one, see if that works. Then we know it's a bulb issue. If it doesn't work, I don't know. We'll figure that out when it comes. But I'm assuming this is just the housing. Rotate it out. Okay, that's fine, thank you. Ow. Ow. I'm hurting myself so much right now. Ow, and it doesn't help that it's fucking cold. It looks burnt. It looks like it's bad. Just place that in there for the time being. That confirms it. That bulb is just bad. Cool. I just gotta get a new bulb. I am probably going to look into getting some LED bulbs anyways, so sweet. Just find the way it sits. There we go. Probably get that sometime later. This. So now it comes time to figuring out where to have this mounted. Drink some water. Oi! Stay hydrated. Bowl and basket. What kind of brand? That's not gonna fit on here, nor is it gonna fit on here if I make room, meaning I need to actually drop the entire clip on downward and get it all situated. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. Now it's all on there together. Oh, wait. Dude, I'm so dumb. This is nice because what I was waiting for was changing this out, but I forgot I had a clip on. So I thought for a second I couldn't do it, but I have the original clutch. So what I'm gonna do is actually switch this on there. That way I can have my clutch switch too. So it's essentially like that. And then this shorter cable, this one plugs right into there, like that, boom, boom. All right, let's see how to disconnect this. Truthfully, if I can just change out this perch, I'd be fine with that. This lever I don't really care for, because this is so much nicer. I could just do it. I think I just have to drop this, and then I can still use the same lever. Sweet, yeah, I'll do that. So it looks like I'm gonna have to loosen this up all the way, so that means push the clutch adjustment thing towards the inside. I probably should have looked at the adjustment itself and how far away it was, but whatever. Let that sit like that. Sweet. So that's what it looks like. Let's swap out the lever. I'm actually gonna keep all these spare parts too, because I think with motorcycles at least, spare parts are always nice to have versus cars where, I don't know, spare parts are nice. The Z actually looks so nice right now, I'm not gonna lie. It's completely dirty if you go up close to it, but she's looking good. Now let's attach this back together and see how this goes in now. That's gonna have to line up all the way through. That's gonna go like this. Now if we test it out. All right, this has to loosen up a little bit because there needs to be some sort of mobility, I think.
"12 sleepless hours later."
We got the bike ready. Let's also test out this, our clutch switch. And what this is gonna allow me to do is if the clutch is pulled in and the bike is in gear, it should start. So let's see. Put it in first gear, should start. Should not be rolling though. I think there's a cat somewhere outside. Meowing. Oh, there is a cat.
Oh, hello there!
What's up, buddy? What up, son? You're gonna get scared if I start this bike. You know that, right? Cute cat. Alright, back to the mission. So, I don't want you to be scared. I don't know whose cat it is. She's been in my garage before while I'm working on the car. I named her Tiger. I don't know what else. At first, it was Lewis Hamilton, because she only ever comes when I'm working on something, but she don't really give a fuck about me, so. All right, now that you're gone, turn it on, kill switch, clutch in. So we know it works. Sweet. And the clutch engagement, let's actually check that out. So we'll start it back up. Put it in gear. So it wants to engage right about there, which is not too bad. That's when I feel it walking a little bit. So that's okay. Yeah, that's all right. That's really about it. It took me a few hours trying to figure everything out. All that's left is really just piecing back this side on that side and cleaning up. She's pretty much good to go. I'll probably off camera install the swing arm sliders, the frame sliders, and the front fork sliders, just because it's not really that interesting. I don't think so, at least, and it's pretty easy. This is her in full on black and white. Soon, I'm gonna get a whole, helmet set up so that way I can do some moto vlogging, just record some rides and whatever the case may be. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.